Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ken Villagonza, one of the presenters of Group 9. I'm about to discuss PCG or Philippine Coast Guard operations. Philippine Coast Guard is the Philippine Maritime Agency ensuring safety, security, and law enforcement at sea. And they are formally established in 1967 and they are currently under the DOTR, or Department of Transportation. These are the PCGs. These are some of the PCGs' main purpose and objectives: to conduct maritime search and rescue operations, enforces maritime laws and regulations, promote and ensures maritime safety, protects the marine environment, and maintain maritime security in Philippine water. Next are the other operational programs of maritime safety, or MARSAF. MARSAF helps ensure maritime safety by inspecting vessels before departure. And MARSAF refers to the part of the maritime operations that focus on preventing accidents and ensuring safe movement at sea. And they also conduct investigations on ships to ensure safety for travelers. That's all on MARSAF.
My name is Johan Patrick. My topic is the articulation of the key function of the Philippine Coast Guard. So, maritime security, or also known as MARSEC. So, MARSEC is vital. Why? Because the Philippines is an article country that must protect maritime zones. So, the Philippine Coast Guards are seized stock piracy, smuggling, and other illegal acts. So the MARSEC main role is to maintain good order at sea through patrols and surveillance. Also, they secure our natural resources at the Philippine waters. And the MARSEC has two key programs. And these are the Sea Marshal program, which were the AFP or the Army, the PNP, and the Philippine Coast Guard work together to protect, just like, for example, the passenger vessels. The next is the 9 units, where that use train dogs to detect threats in major ports. So next slide, please. So next is the Maritime Search and Rescue, or also known as MARSAR. So MARSAR is under the International SOLAS Convention. So the Philippine Coast Guard is especially in charge of saving lives at the sea. And all the rescue missions of the Philippine Coast Guards are coordinated by the Coast Guard Action Center in Manila. And they have also a 12 district center and 15 Coast Guard station nationwide. And these centers are operate 24 hours with personnel constantly monitor for distress calls from ships or fishermen that may trouble. And in addition for this two key function of the Philippine Coast Guard is that the MARSEC, the main role of the MARSEC is nag-focus siya more on daily patrolling, surveillance, so that they can prevent threat sa sea. While ang MARSAR is nag-focus siya more on during accident or emergency response to prepare to emergency response at the sea. And that includes for my topic about the MARSAR and the MARSEC. Do you have any questions or clarifications? So next slide will be reported by my group.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Vincent Gonzalez, and now I will be discussing the two major functions under the PCG. And first one is the MARLEN. So MARLEN is a maritime law enforcement, and its purpose is to covers the fisheries, immigration, custom, drugs, human trafficking, piracy, smuggling, and illegal loggings. And also, the PCG can board and inspect watercraft suspected of illegal trade, and for its authority, it acts as an agent of BFOR Immigration, Customs, DNR, PDEA, and Interpol. Next, please. So, what is the MAREC? MAREC is the protection of marine environmental from pollution in our environment. So, in the Philippines signed the MARPOL 17 Phase 78 IMO Convention on Marine Pollution. It may lead to, and the lead agency is the PCGS. It is the sole agency of the page implementation under the RA 9993. Next. So, in summary, in summary, the PCG is the guardian of the sea, and actually two major roles. MARLEN, the purpose is to enforce the law and stop crimes of the sea. And the MAREC is protects the sea from pollution and damage. And bottom line of this, the RA 993 gives PCG power to keep the fish water safe. That's all.